At Emich Volkswagen, we recognize that more customers than ever prefer to shop online. For this reason, we've upgraded our website to give online shoppers the transparent and hassle-free experience that we strive to give our store visitors. Let us show you how to immediately unlock our best offer on your next Volkswagen from the comfort of home. So here I am on Emich's homepage. Let's say I'm looking at a Tiguan. I'm going to click on the bright red leasing and financing options button when it appears, which prompts me to enter my information. This will automatically unlock our best prices. Let me walk you through the information that will appear. The numbers on the upper right are our best prices for the vehicle, which change according to incentives set by Volkswagen of America for different purchase options. The prices in the tabs include a standard dealer handling fee and taxes based on the zip code you entered previously. Enter your trade-in vehicle's make, model, and trim, as well as how much you owe on it to see how it affects our offers. The number directly below the cash label gives you our best grand total price if you were to pay out of pocket. The financing total monthly payment depends on the down payment and the term. Monthly lease payments depend on the length I want to be leasing the car, how many miles I want to put on it, and how much money I'm willing to put down. Your monthly payment is directly below the label. Both finance and lease payments depend on your credit score. You can click the test drive button to schedule a test drive, or go one step further and click the reserve button to jumpstart the transaction process. Clicking the reserve button will prompt you to verify your registration, payments, and trade-in. Browse our selection of protection packages, verify your credit score, and schedule an appointment if you wish. Upload pictures of your insurance card and driver's license. Connect with a sales consultant to review and confirm this information. They will have this deal ready for you when you come in to make your visit short and sweet. If you want to complete the whole process from home, we offer free home delivery in the Denver area.